Today I'm gonna show you 3 different easy ways to bring contrast to your photo using Photoshop 2024. This video is a part of another video where I show how I completely retouched this photo. If you want to watch the complete editing, I will link the video in the description below. Hello photographer, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Silvia. I'm a specialist in the magazine style photography. In this channel, I talk about professional editing techniques to help you make more money with your photos. Now, let's get into the video. Another thing that I want to do now is to play a little bit with the lighting of our photo and to bring more contrast to it. So I'm going to create a selective color layer. And for the white here, I'm going to be working more with the white, neutral, and blacks. You can also go to red, for example, because red is the brown. So we have a lot of red in the photo. You can adjust the red here and give a little bit more color to your photo. I think that the way that we have is pretty good. You can work the contrast of the red as well. I think I'm just gonna work a little bit, make it a little bit darker, the red. I'm gonna go to yellows and I'm gonna make it a little bit, let me see, a little bit lighter. Actually, just a little bit. Now I'm gonna go to whites and I'm not gonna work with the colors. I'm just gonna work with the luminosity as well. I'm gonna make it a little bit lighter. And I think this is great. Now I'm gonna go to the blacks and I'm gonna add just a touch of red in the blacks. So if you go here to the cyan, we move to one side, we add red because we are removing cyan. So when we remove cyan, we add some red to our photo. And if we do the opposite, I'm adding some cyan to the photo. So I'm just gonna slightly add to the dark areas. And I'm gonna make this a little bit darker as well to bring more contrast to the photo. And I think this is perfect. So before and after, before and after. Another thing that I wanna do is to make this photo black and white. So I'm gonna go here, black and white. And I am going to, let me change the mask here. I'm just gonna make her skin a little bit darker, that I think this is beautiful. And the yellow again, a little bit, let me see, a little bit lighter. And I'm gonna change the blending mode from normal to soft light. And I'm gonna go opacity 0 and slightly I'm gonna bring up the opacity and we are gonna create a little bit more contrast to the photo. Yes, I think this is beautiful. 15, I think that this is pretty good. So I'm gonna put all of them in the same folder. I'm gonna do lighting. And let's see, before and after is looking pretty good. Now we are creating more contrast for our photo that we removed in the basic correction when we start working the photo in Lightroom. Another thing, let me think here. We can also, if you want to even bring more contrast, a different way that you can do that is by using the curves as well. And very slightly, I just create an S curve again. And here's the before and here's the after. And our photo is looking beautiful, way contrasting. I do like this contrast on her skin especially. Click the like buttons if you like the results. And again, if you want to watch the complete editing for this photo, you can click here on the screen or click the link on the description below. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet. I post new videos every week. For now, this is everything. I hope this video was really helpful for you. Until next time.